Well, happy Friday, mid-Missouri. We are off to another cold start, much like yesterday. Well, I should say cooler than yesterday, but by the time we get to this afternoon, the day will feel very similar. Temperatures right back in the upper 30s, maybe a degree or two warmer. And then by this evening, we're adding chances for rain, maybe a little freezing rain. We're cold this morning and dry with a wind from the north. That wind is going to slowly shift, not fast enough to warm us. We're still cold by noon and well into the afternoon. But by the time we get to beyond the afternoon, right around 4 or 5 o'clock, we're watching some light showers work in here from the west. And this will have a potential for some light shower and freezing rain activity. Notice here to the north where temperatures are below freezing, that's where we could get a very, very brief freezing rain. To the south, though, where we've got temperatures above freezing, we should likely keep that as all rain heading into the evening hours until it stops. This is what the atmosphere also looks like through that time frame. Notice to the north where things are a little colder, things are a little drier as the rain onsets, and we should have some evaporation helping with that. So we may not get all that rain to the ground, so it's already light precipitation. It's going to be even lighter when you factor in some of that drying. Here's if you step down a layer, it looks just as dry throughout about 7 o'clock as well. So some things working against that potential for freezing rain. Overall, we don't expect any impacts. Now we fast forward to Sunday because Saturday's looking dry, partly cloudy and mostly cloudy at times. But Sunday, that's where we're watching a warm front lift across the region, and that will eventually bring us chances for showers, especially by late Sunday. We're dodging some showers around the dinner hour. If we zoom out here, we can kind of see the shape of this system. We've got a warm front lifting across the northern part of Missouri. We've got a cold front out towards the west, and that's where we've got the potential for some strong storms through the Wichita area. There is some potential that these storms could be a bit on the strong side as they approach mid-Missouri, and so we're going to keep a close eye on this throughout the weekend to see how things shift with the forecast on this system. Right now it looks like heavy rain, thunder, lightning throughout late Sunday night, early Monday morning, and then we're looking dry throughout most of your day on Monday. So we're starting to lower that chance for rain on Monday and raise it for Sunday. Here is the threat level of severe weather according to the Storm Prediction Center. It looks like, again, some of those storms could be a bit strong as they approach our southwestern counties, places like Warsaw, Sedalia, over towards the Lake of the Ozarks, potentially as far east as Columbia or Jefferson City, but that's really where things are starting to wind down. Again, we're running out of instability as we see this move through during the early morning hours. It will be a good rainmaker, though. We'll see widespread totals of 1/4 of an inch to maybe 3/4 of an inch with local amounts, especially back towards the north and the west, closer to an inch or more. And so more good rain. I know we've already kind of busted that drought here in mid-Missouri, but we're still working against it with more beneficial rainfall here in late February. As we head into early next week, temperatures stay warm with temperatures in the 60s and 50s just about every day.